vlog. We're gonna be kayaking at an outfit. I kind of look like I'd be on Baywatch. I'm gonna take my other parts off later, but that's all. Also, my roots look really cool like this. Now I'm done. It's okay, I promise I'm safe. What the heck? Every time I try to come up to a duck, you guys go meh, 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 and walk away.
That's it.
I have to start here?
Yes.
That's kind of scary.
Nope.
It'd be less scary if I didn't jump.
Now reach up and hold on to the knot. Up
knot?
there. Taller.
I can't reach that one.
Stand up on there and you can. Reach up.
You sure that's safe to stand?
Yeah, make sure you let go out there.
Is it deep enough?
Yeah, out there it is.
Here?
Yep. And count to 3.
Or hold here?
Up tall. Up there. Yeah. There. Count.
1, 2. What's the worst case scenario that could happen?
You don't let go and you break your neck over here in the shallow end.
Not bad.
No.
1, 2. 3.
Yes.
1, 2,
3.
3.